everyone. Today I have kinetic sand. Let's unbox. Inside the box are kinetic sand, a waffle maker, a sand tray, a scooper, a spoon, 6 accessories, a cone, and a sundae cup, and instruction guide. Let's play. I have strawberry ice cream. I have vanilla ice cream with a gummy bear. And I have an ice cream sundae with pineapple and sprinkle. And here I have waffles and ice cream with a cherry. I have an ice cream sandwich, and then I have chocolate sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.